main thing that I use it for is Hey guys, what's up and welcome to it. Today we are doing a what's on my Apple Watch. I have never done this video, so I'm super excited. If you don't know, I got this Apple Watch about a year ago, so I've had it for quite some time now. I did do an unboxing video of this Apple Watch, and ever since I posted that video, you guys wanted to see a what's on my Apple Watch, so here I am, finally delivering. I have, oh my gosh. I have the Series 3 Apple Watch. At the time that I bought this, I think they only had up to the 4th generation, so mine's not too far behind at the time. The exact one that I purchased will be linked below. It was super cheap. I got a really good deal. I got it off Amazon, and I promise you it's not fake. It's been working out well for me. I haven't had any problems at all. And that link, as well as other links in the description, will be affiliate links, meaning that if you purchase it through the link, I will get just a small commission of the price at no extra cost for you, so it's a win-win for the both of us. So thank you for supporting me. Anyways, Series 3 Apple Watch, no cellular data, it's just on the Wi-Fi, and it's the 38mm in space gray. So yeah, that's pretty much all you really need to know. We're gonna go over all my accessories that I have for it, the apps that I use, how I use my Apple Watch, when I use my Apple Watch, all that good stuff right now. So here it is. This is what I have as my background right now. I actually made that myself. It is my own graphic. If you guys don't know, I have my own website and I upload graphics for iPads, laptops, iPhones, Apple Watches, desktop icons, anything Apple related. I make screensavers for it. So go check that out on my website. I will have that linked below for you guys. They're all completely free, just in exchange for you guys supporting me and watching my videos. So yay. So this one I believe is just called a minimal leaf, and I am in love with it. Oh my gosh. It's just cute and relaxing to look at every time I get on my Apple Watch, and it's not like too busy or anything. Then I also have just a couple other screensavers. This one I also made, and it's also on my website under the Apple Watch Face tab. And then I have this one that is actually a graphic from a girl in my sorority in a different state. I saw that she had some free graphics up, so I thought this one was super cute, so I put it on my Apple Watch. And then lastly, I just have like a collage of pictures, my cousin and I, my boyfriend and I. Oh. Then some hot chocolate, fire, just some aesthetic pictures from a trip that I went on. Super cute, but for now I like having my little leaf there. Now we're gonna talk about all my accessories. I don't know, I just put this back on. The band that I have right now on it, I've been using this one for a while. I got it for Christmas. It's from Amazon. It's just a tan/beige sticky, it's kind of like a knockoff one of the original ones that Apple makes. But it was on Amazon, and I'll link that one below for you guys. I really like this one. Next I have another one that's supposed to be white, but it's kind of getting discolored, but it's again the same type of deal, the sticky dot one that you can just easily click in there. I really like these kind because my wrists are kind of small, so it helps my Apple Watch stay on. Next I have the black one that came on my Apple Watch. I use the small/medium sized bands on all my Apple Watches because again I have really small wrists. So here's the black one that came with the Apple Watch. This next one's super fun. It's like a little cheetah one with some little adjusting things here. The way you put it on is click it through the slider, so it's like a normal actual watch. How cute is that? It's kind of just like a more little dressy one that I can wear whenever I need to look a little bit nicer. Again, this one is also from Amazon. And then the last one that I have is this little gingham elastic one. It's pretty much a scrunchy watch band. You put it on and then slide it over your wrist, and it looks like a scrunchie, and it's a watch band. So I really like it. It's the black gingham print. This was also from Amazon as well, so I'll link that one below for you guys. The only problem that I have with this one is I really like my Apple Watch to be in a certain spot all the time, so this one's not as sticky, so it doesn't stay on that well. Like, it doesn't fall or anything, but it, like, the watch face sometimes slides around. But like I said, my favorite is the tan one, so I'm gonna put that one back on. Alright, so next I wanted to talk about what I use my Apple Watch for. When I was first trying to decide if I wanted to get an Apple Watch in the first place, I was kind of wondering like what would I even possibly use this for? So I figured I could tell you guys what I use mine for so that maybe if you're trying to decide the same things, you guys can figure out if you want one or not. One thing I use for my Apple Watch is there is now a mini calculator on here. So it's super nice because I know at my job over the last summer, I wasn't allowed to have my phone on me and I would often need my calculator, but I didn't have one on me, so it's super nice just to have on my wrist and do some little number crunching whenever I need to. And the next thing would be it also just entertains me whenever I'm bored in places that I can't have my phone. I have a couple apps on here that I'm going to show you in like a minute or so after I'm talking about this that I just do and play with whenever I'm bored. Next, I said I don't work out that much, but when I do, I really like to use the workout app on here because then it syncs it to my phone. And I know for a couple of my classes, since they're online now, I have to track my steps and everything, so super nice that I can do that. And then it also tracks like my workouts. I've recently been doing like the Chloe Ting 2-week shred thing, so I start a workout every time I do that and shows me like how many calories I burned and all that good stuff. I would say the main thing that I use it for is obviously just to check the time, which is what a watch is for, as well as check the date. I think I actually check the date off of my Apple Watch more than I check the time, so I like to have my date on my lock screen. And then also another really big reason that I use it is to get notifications. Anytime I get a text, a YouTube comment, a Snapchat, anything, it alerts me. It's super nice because a lot of the time I don't have my phone with me, it's sitting across the room, or I just don't check my phone that often. Okay, so another super fun thing that I like to do with this Apple Watch is the walkie-talkie app. You can essentially like talk to anybody who has an Apple Watch, so I like to mess with my sister. So what you do is you talk by touching this and holding it. So, hi Sarah, say hi to YouTube. Hello? Can you hear me?
Hi YouTube.
Oh, see, there we go. How fun is that?
Yeah, it didn't work that one time, but now it's working.
Okay. Anyways, that's that. Super fun, nice little thing they threw in there. Alright, so finally time to get to what is actually on this Apple Watch. So as we mentioned, we already went over the screensaver. Down here, I like to have my battery at all times of what my Apple Watch is, then the time, and then I normally have the date, but lately I've been messing around and seeing what else I could do, and I put my calendar. So right now I don't have anything to do today, but I believe tomorrow it'll come up and say that I have like an exam that day. So anything that I have on my Apple calendar will show up there, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so now we are at my main little page here. A lot of these apps are just like the Apple apps that come on it. I'll talk about a couple of my favorites. So the workout app, as I was talking about, it has a bunch of different options for workouts that you can do. Next, I downloaded this app where you like use this to play a game. So I'm gonna do round circuit, and then as you're driving you use dang it, I already died. It's called Touch Round on the App Store, so you can go ahead and download that one. Then I have the Starbucks app, and it just has like my gift card that I have on there. I believe I can go and use this to pay at Starbucks, so that's kind of cool. I haven't tried it out yet. Then I have this thing called Glow. It's just like, I showed it on what's on my iPad. It's kind of like a self-improvement type of thing, but I haven't used it on my watch yet. I don't really know how I would use it on my watch. Uber, Pandora, Etsy. Etsy's kind of cool. I only do this if I'm like bored, but you can go on and see some cute things. So we could buy a hanging wall planter, cheese board. Then I also have my hospital app. They have like an app. I don't even know what this is. This is called Fantastical. It's a calendar app that I tried messing around with on my iPad, but I didn't really like it, but it synced up to my watch and now I don't know how to get it off. Oh, this app, I thought it was like a bike tracking type of thing where you could like track whenever you're riding a bike or on a bicycle or something, and it's menstrual cycle, not bicycle, so that app was an accident. So this one is also like a self-improvement type of thing. It's called 10%, where you can do a little meditation type of thing every day. This thing, I have to use it for school to log in to my school account every time I want to access it. It's like a duo security thing where like it's two-step authorization, whatever. So this one's just another cute little meditation thing. That one's called Headspace. Then I have Babbel, which is like a Spanish learning app. But basically, whenever I'm around something like an airport, or a cafe, or bookstore or something, it'll pop up with vocab on my watch so that I can learn about where I am at. So I think that's really cool. Then I have a super fun app. It's called Bubblegum Hero. What you do is you play and you can hold and you want to pop the bubble. Oh, I already failed, dang it. But you like pop the bubble and it's on the lines. Oh my gosh, why am I doing so bad today? Okay, well, you get the idea. This game is actually kind of fun and entertaining to do whenever you literally have nothing else to do. So download that one. I really like that one as like a playful app. You can also access your phone camera from your watch. So right now I am taking pictures with my phone camera but on my watch. So say cheese! You can also make phone calls off of your watch. I know that this is actually kind of like sometimes a life-saving type of thing. I know my grandpa had a friend who was chopping down wood in the woods and a tree kind of like fell on him and got on his leg, and his phone was in his truck so he couldn't call anyone, but he had his Apple Watch in him, so he called a friend to come help him out from his Apple Watch. So I think that's pretty cool, like nice little thing, kind of just like a safety thing. But those are really the apps that I actually use. I guess there's Facebook Messenger, but I've honestly never used this on here. I really like the flashlight. It actually comes in use a lot. So it just is like a bright white screen that you can use to light your way if you're ever in the dark. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, this one is a lifesaver. If you ever misplace your phone or have no idea where it was, all you do is get on your watch and now I know where my phone is. I use that so much. That might be one of the most useful things on this Apple Watch, I'm not gonna lie. They have a do not disturb, so if you're ever like taking an exam or something and you don't want your wrist to buzz in the middle of your exam, you can turn that on so you don't get any notifications. This thing is, if you ever get it wet somehow, you can do that and it like tries to push out all the water out of its little speakers, so that's super nice. But really, that's about it for this cute little Apple Watch. I love my Apple Watch so much. I'm so glad that I got one. I feel like once you get one, you can't go back. If anyone knows or has any idea of when Apple is going to come out with their next Apple Watch, let me know, because I have a feeling I'm probably going to be upgrading soon. So keep your eye out for an unboxing video whenever they come out with another one. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up everything that is on my little tiny Apple Watch. I hope that you guys got some good app suggestions. There really aren't that many apps that you can actually get on the Apple Watch that are super beneficial and like useful, but I have some pretty good ones. So if you guys have any other apps that you recommend for the Apple Watch, please leave them below. I'm always looking for new apps. Don't forget to go check out my website for those free graphics for your Apple Watch, laptops, iPhones, everything that you can imagine. Seriously, go check them out. They're all free for you guys. Also, if you have any other videos that you want to see with my Apple Watch, let me know as well. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video on Friday, which will be a day in my life at home during quarantine.